to get in on this contest, I do not have to give away what I just fell in love with. And I'm willing to help somebody out so they can see the value in what I've been trying to say for those who got a hard head. All right? Amongst other things. I am going to give away the next line, soon to be next line of Wagtails. We're going water fed, baby. If you didn't know already, it's already been that way. But I'm talking about when it comes to route work and traditional squeegees. And if you really switch to go portable, I ain't got to say no more. But this is what you can expect in the near future. And I'm going to give this away. And I even went through the trouble of making it patriotic for those. And you have to be a U.S. citizen, too. I'm sorry to say, but I am not shipping it all the way over to Timbuktu. All right? So, you must be a U.S. citizen. So what you're going to get, these pads can stay on here. But I'm going to even go through the trouble of throwing in a couple of extra gliding strips of your choice. Color-wise, I mean. If you want to keep this color because it just matches, then I'll just make an extra set for you. So you won't need no more gliding strips, I guess, for the rest of the year. Because these are just that tough. I made sure of that. And like I said, they're permanent. You can wash them and everything. So this handle is going to be painted blue as well as the other one, and all this nastiness is going to be all cleaned up for you. I'm gonna scrub the heck out of it, and it's going to look like a brand new squeegee when I'm done with it. You know, squeegees don't have an expiration date. If you mess them up, drop them, oh yeah, then it has an expiration date. But for the most part, as long as the tool is intact, there is no expiration date. So the tool is just like the day you bought it. And really, you know, you just change that rubber every once in a while, you're gonna be all right. I tell you what, I'm even gonna throw in a brand new rubber. How's that sound? You can't get any better than that. Yeah, well, maybe. But, yeah. So there's that. I need at least 10 people, fellas, before I even go ahead. I need at least 10 people. I know Jarvis, he wants it already. He said, man, you know I'll take that, John. Look, he want to get his mitts on it already. But I'm showing him how he can do his own. So, but anyway, if you would like this to be one of the very first to say, hey, I had the first prototype, one that a wagologist made. And, you know, there's a few guys of us out here. Johnny, you know, a couple others. We already doing it. So you might as well jump on this boat, man, because this boat will sell without you. And you can get left behind. We got money to make all day, every day. You make your money the slow way. Watch what I tell you. Put this in your hands. You're going to see what I'm talking about. I ain't got to say no more about the subject. But this is Masters at Wagtail, and I'm out of here, man. Y'all make your money the slow way.